Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, December 8th. Today you are going to be looking at all of the different pieces that we have looked at so far, like symbols, settings, characters, all of that kind of stuff. And you're going to look and see how all of those elements work together to create a theme. This is part of what you're going to be doing for your final project, so it's good to get a little bit of practice in before we get there. So if you click on this, let's make that bigger. It'll ask you to make a copy. So you're going to be doing this with Muffin. So up here, you'll type in Muffin, and then I want you to go through the story, think about the major characters, the major symbols, the tone, the mood, the major conflicts, and the major plot settings. You guys have already looked at all of these things with Muffin, so it should be easy to just plug them in where you need them. Then I want you to look at all of these things together. And I want you to think about what idea is the author trying to send with all of these ideas. Because when an author is creating a theme, they typically use more than one element to try to create that theme or that message. So once you look at the characters and what the characters are like, what they go through, all of your old assignments that you've completed on these, because it's going to help you figure out what the author is trying to say with each of these different elements that we've already looked at. Then once you've looked at everything and you think you have a pretty good idea of what the author is trying to say by using all these elements, you're going to type your theme statement in here. So this is what the author is trying to tell you about life in general. Remember, this should be universal. It shouldn't have the word muffin in it. It shouldn't have Fat Alice in it. It should be universal. It should apply to everybody. So in here, you will create a 3-part theme statement with a topic, claim, and qualification. It needs to be universal, needs to be a full sentence, and you need to make sure that these things are actually contributing to this idea that you put in here. When you're finished, there's a Dropbox linked to the agenda slide, and if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.